there, teachers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Seti again. For today, guys, I want to talk about demo lesson of Amazing Talker. Many teachers are asking or have telling me what to do or asking me what to do rather. So again, disclaimer, I am not promoting any companies. I am just here to help teachers get a higher paying salary. So first things first, guys. After your profile has been approved, usually it depends. It depends how fast you will be able to create your profile online. So first you need to register, and then after you register, you need to fill up all of the categories, and then after you upload your introduction video on YouTube, then you need to copy that HTTPS or link into your onto your profile on Amazing Talker, and then you just need to click on submit. So once it says verifying, right, usually it's on the upper right corner, then it will take about at least 5 to 7 business days for the approval, since there are a lot of applicants now. Okay, and so once your profile has been approved, teachers, you will need to open a schedule. So if you already open a schedule, that's good, and you need to open a schedule that is you have a lot of time. Okay, if you open a schedule that you don't have any time, and then they will book a demo lesson, then it's it's not good. It's not good for you. It's a negative feedback, right? Okay, so you need to open a schedule, the time that you want, and then the time and the date that you are free. Okay, for the next is they will book a demo at your preferred time. So materials, guys, materials are not provided here. I always tell them up front, you can check my channel. That's why I have my YouTube channel, guys. You can check my channel for free materials. You will be able to see what lesson you will have by logging in on your account. On Amazing Talker, just click on login, and then you will see the notification bell. Usually it's on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will see, then click on that, and then you will see a drop down menu. You will see your lesson. Okay, and then so that day, the day of the demo, it will be with one of the top teachers at Amazing Talker. Usually it's a free conversation, so it depends on the interviewer. Your lesson will depend on the interviewer. So not necessarily that all demo lessons are free conversation. No, it depends on the interviewer. So that's why you need to double check on that notification bell what lesson you will need to have, or you will need to prepare for, so that you will be confident enough when you face the interviewer. Alright? Okay, and so don't forget also, guys, you need to also download the Zoom application, because this Zoom application you will need for the interview, right? So to start the demo, you just need to log in into your account, and then click on go to class button. This account you need to log on should be your Amazing Talker account, not your Zoom account. Okay, because other teachers will really confuse. Sometimes they would log in on their Zoom account. No, it should be log in on your demo lesson. The day of your demo lesson, you need to log in on your Amazing Talker account. So once you log in on your Amazing Talker account, click on go to class button, and automatically it will be redirected to the Zoom platform. Okay, all right, and what else? So demo time usually is 25 minutes. And then this is wrong. It should be 3. So there are 3 trials, teachers. So for other teachers, they need to reschedule their demo lesson if they have like power outage or anything else. They need to reschedule. Then they have 3 trials. Now if you didn't pass, you can also have this kind of 3 trials. But don't think of this 3 trials, teacher. You just need to think that you will be able to have this demo lesson only 1 time. Yeah, not 3 times. Okay? You just be positive, teachers. Think that you can do it. Okay? And then after the demo, you will receive an email. Yeah, an email if you pass. So that's within 24 hours. Yeah, and then that's it. After you receive the email, then you can activate your account. And I think that's about it. For activation of your account, maybe I'll make a separate vlog for that. Okay? So for now, I think I hope that I have helped you a lot, teachers. Thank you so much for always watching my vlogs. And again, don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and comment or any feedback you may have. And don't forget to hit also the notification bell. So anytime I upload my video, you will get notified. Thank you so much, teachers. The 1,000 subscribers for this channel. I am really very happy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Goodbye and God bless.